Unlock the power of your Substack by transforming readers into active participants with perfectly crafted CTAs. Today, we're diving into creating effective calls to action, or CTAs, that drive engagement right at the bottom of your Substack posts. Your CTA is your final opportunity to connect with your reader and guide them toward a desired action. First, open your Substack editor and scroll to the very end of your post. This is where your CTA will live. Think of this space as your post's grand finale, designed to leave a lasting impression. Now, let's craft the message. Start with a clear and compelling sentence. Ask yourself, what do I want the reader to do next? For instance, if your goal is to increase subscriptions, a phrase like "enjoyed this post," "subscribe for more insights delivered directly to your inbox," is clear and benefits the reader. Next, highlight the key part of your message that you want to be clickable. In our example, we'll highlight, "Subscribe for more insights directly to your inbox." Then, click the link icon in your formatting toolbar. A small window will pop up asking for a URL for a subscription CTA. You'll paste your unique Substack publication link here. You can find your publication link by navigating to your Substack settings or by copying the URL from any of your published posts. Once you paste the link and confirm, your chosen text will transform into a clickable hyperlink, visually indicating to your readers that this is an actionable element. You can also add a separate, visually distinct button for even more emphasis. To do this, you'll use a simple text paragraph for your main CTA text, and then create a separate one for your button. For the button text, enter something direct like "subscribe now." To make this text look like a button, you can use bolding or even add relevant emojis to make it pop. Then, you'll link this text just as we did before, using your publication URL. Consider adding a subtle divider, like a horizontal rule or a different colored block, above your CTA to gently guide the reader's eye and signify the transition from content to action. Remember, CTAs aren't just for subscriptions. You can use them to encourage sharing, direct readers to a paid tier, or even link to relevant merchandise or other content. Tailor your CTA to your specific goals for each post. By strategically placing and thoughtfully crafting your CTAs, you'll significantly boost reader engagement and ensure your Substack content works harder for you. Happy publishing!